Hi everyone! I recently got a free Facebook haul again, and look at all these brushes she gave me. So I couldn't believe it when I saw how many brushes there were in this haul. I had no idea that that was going to be so many. I believe there's 22 right now. I actually gave a couple away that looked kind of like duplicates, but they all came in these kind of dirty like sleeves, which is great if they kept the brush clean, but I'm also going to wash them between people, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and just unbag them, unsleeve them, and we'll see what we've got here. So I've got them in a little cup off screen here, or maybe it's on screen, I can't tell right now. And I'm just gonna take them one at a time and take a look at them, take them out of the sleeve. Hopefully I don't have to put them back in the sleeve for any reason. This looks like a kind of flat, kind of large, they all seem like they're eyeshadow brushes of some kind, which is perfect actually. I just got 6 more of them, and then there were 22 more in this haul, so I haven't unboxed this haul yet, but this is going to be part of that. They don't seem to have any markings. I did look at all the different ones, but let's just kind of set them one at a time. Let's take another. Oh, this is a dual-ended one, so it looks like a little tiny angle and then a very flat dome. I'm not sure what to do with the like two-sided ones. How do you store them in your collection? This one appears to be a little stippled. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but it's pretty like almost square. Thick angled brush. Yeah, that's quite thick. Not sure what I'll use that for. Something. Alright, I'm just gonna grab, I was trying to grab like the right, like the colored handles. I don't know if this is supposed to be orange bristles. It kind of looks that way. I don't see any pigment coming off. I'm gonna wash them all anyway, but I actually don't think I have one like this. And again, the brown handles, the white handles, I don't see any like identifying marks on them as far as brand, but I like this kind of thick pencil brush. I don't have that. Here's another, I don't know if there's pigment on that either, because it's kind of purplish. It's kind of a dense packing, thin, whatever that's called. I don't know. What do you call that? Here's actually another one just like it. Might as well just lay that out. Actually, it's almost exact. It's just a different color. This one's like just a teensy bit longer, I think. These aren't going to be as much as I thought, so I'm going to move them over. Ooh, this one's like a very narrow flat brush. I don't think I have anything like that either. Here's one almost exactly like it, tiny bit wider. Oh, it's another two-ended one. Are they this one's longer, this one's shorter, but I can't tell if that's an angle or this is more domey. I don't know. This is by far the tallest one. What does that say? Mash? Mash? This looks like it could be used for graphic liner. I don't think it's a nail brush. Little teeny dome. Nice thick flat brush. Again, I think, so these might be clean and just stained. Sorry about my nails, guys. That's just part of who I am as a person, that they're always messed up. Oh, this is a double one. Oh, unless that's meant to be angled. Looks like this one got a little damaged because it was in, I don't know if that's upside down because Either one could be upside down. Got a lot of these flat, whatever they call them, domey kind of things. Well, this is a little different. This is almost like a teardrop shape or something. I don't know. I'm bad at this. I might just voice over this whole thing. It's a larger flat brush. I'm trying to think what that might be used for, but I could always find someone else who wants them. This seems a lot shorter than some of the other flat domed brushes. This is almost at an angle. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way, but interesting. This is by far the smallest. Got a little hair sticking out. I have no idea whether these are synthetic or human hair. I don't think they're human hair or animal hair, but the only one that says anything is Mesh, so I'll go look that up and see. It's another really teeny one. It's even got a protector on it. Looks similar to the Mesh one or this double-sided one here, only it's a little more put together. I do try to keep these protectors on, but it can be hard to get them back in it. Oh, cool. This is like a angled flat pencil brush. It's like the same even diameter, but it's angled. Cool. And then this actually looks a lot like that one, only maybe a little thicker on top. So let's move these around according to size and shape. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I think I have some semblance of order here. So these two are like the biggest pencil brushes. This one's kind of a pencil brush, but angled, and then these two are also angled. However, there's two down here in the, I'll call them dual wielding brushes, that are also angled. And then from here all the way to here really are versions of a flat kind of dome topped brush. Some are longer than others, some are wider than others, and also this one has a little, I'm going to call it a graphic liner kind of small thing, similar to these two. Actually, I think this one is the smallest. So yeah, here's 22 new brushes in my collection, guys. I don't know what I'm going to call them when I'm like working with them. I haven't been good about saying which brushes I'm using, but I at least wanted to introduce this part of the haul. All right, and here they all are freshly washed. So you can see, I don't think the orange was supposed to come off. I think that's just the shading on the bristles. The purple also didn't come off, but with the inconsistency of the color in there, I'm wondering if it was just a red like pigment or dark pink pigment that just kind of stained it. Sometimes when you dip into those redder pigments, it just never comes off. It always ends up pinky, purpley, whatever. They seemed very clean though. I didn't really see a lot of product coming off of them. It's always best to dry your brushes flat so that you don't get water, you know, moving down into the handle and loosening up whatever it is in there that keeps them in there. I think it's glue of some kind. Also, you don't want mold or mildew or whatever to, you know, be on your brushes, because that's gross. So I just washed these with Dawn dish soap and a scrubby. I'd show it to you, but it's like stained itself because I tried to use it to get lipstick swatches off. But it's just a little rubber, like, it is a makeup scrubby, but it was a cheap one. It's just rubber. I'll show it to you. It's stained red because I did red lipstick swatches and then tried to use this to get them off and it didn't work. So the other side's just like this. You can put your fingers in. Be careful. Sorry, my hair gets in everything. I just kind of swirl it in whatever texture I think it needs, gently, and with some Dawn dish soap. That's really all I've needed. The cheap brushes that I've had prior to this are fine. Like, it's been years, so clearly it's working. So yeah, I'm just gonna let these dry probably overnight. I may use a new paper towel in a few minutes. But yeah, I'm excited to start using some of these, especially the shapes that I haven't had in my collection before, especially these two. I don't know why, they just intrigue me. So thanks for watching this little brush video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think some of these shapes are called, or if you recognize any of these brushes, because I'd like to know what they are. I still haven't looked into this mash or whatever that says there yet, so I'll leave any notes below if I can find out anything. Thanks so much for watching. We have an artistic video on Tuesdays, so we have our Artistic Tuesdays, but we are Art and Animals here at FlyOn. We hope to see you again soon. Bye. I don't know, and we'll see what we're looking with here. What we're looking with. I'm on the wrong side. I don't know what to do with the two-angled ones, or two angles as we went. No, I don't know if this is supposed to be orange or if there's, sorry about the scratch. Honestly, I have no idea what that front, blah. I can't do it, guys. And I like it what's blah. So thanks for watching this video. My voice just cracked. So thanks for watching this video. How do I end the recording?